We're just at 58 Cathedral Road. We've completed this project on time, on budget for a client. We brought this up from a G rating to a B1 rating. We actually missed out on the A3 rating because we were short one solar panel. This is down to the roof design that we just were unable to put it down with the vents we had to add on the roof. So again, this is an incredible achievement to go from a G to a B1 rating. So let's step inside and take a walk through. So the last time we were here, we had no carpet on the stairs, we had no flooring down, no decoration, joinery wasn't finished. Again, this is fully finished. So we just take a quick walk into the living room. Now the living room, again, the same floors in the hallway run into the living room and partially into the kitchen. This is the specification of the client. So we meet clients' requirements regarding budget, cost, fit out. So this would be a very standard fit out just on the furniture. We can go for a much higher level fit out, which would be more expensive. But again, this was the client's requirements, so we had to meet their needs. We'll now take a walk into the kitchen. Again, we've table and 4 chairs, washer, dryer, boilers housed here. The inverters for the solar panels are located under the stairs, and we have an aqua box as well for additional water storage, which is a requirement. We have kitchen here installed in kind of 3 sections effectively. We have one section here with a breakfast bar, fridge, freezer, with a drawer pack for extra storage, and then we have storage overhead for cups and saucers. We have kitchen here fully fitted, hob separate to oven, extractor fan, wash and basin and dishwasher, fully completed. We also put a little bit of a tiled area here that if you want to take a pot off, that we would just kind of protect and be a little bit less maintenance. This is the lobby we installed to give separation to the kitchen, to the bathroom, and again we've run these tiles seamlessly from the kitchen into the bathroom. Bathroom is very contemporary, very much so maintenance free, tiled halfway around. Again, that means we can change that colour in the bathroom and it will look like a different bathroom in 4 or 5 years time, so it won't go old. And that's something we do quite a bit with the properties. We don't fully tile it because it can date quite easily, so we could change that to a black wall, navy wall, green, beige, white, and again the bathroom, it gives a good uplift. We're just upstairs now in the property. You can see it's fully finished, joinery is finished, paintwork, carpets are down, flooring is finished, furniture is in. So we'll just take a quick look into bedroom 1. Again, double bed has gone in, freestanding wardrobe was the client's choice. This is what we went for. This is where we created bathroom 2. So we took a very small area out of this bedroom, which I don't think has any impact on it effectively. Again, all the doors are in, joinery is finished, handles are finished. We'll go into the bathroom. This was more or less finished the last time. We've just put in some boxes here just to contain pipes. Walls, ceilings are decorated, shower doors fitted, tiles fully grouted, all beads finished. Bedroom 2 then is a single bed with fitted wardrobes and drawer pack. Vent was added as well, just as part of the BER advisory. And again, we'll just take a look at the 3rd bedroom here. So again, this is a property which was completed on time, on budget, and this is a service we offer to our clients.